Tell me. I'm a seagull. No. No. I'm an actress. Chigorin's here. You know, he doesn't even believe in theater. He laughed at me when I said I wanted to be on Broadway. He was right. I'm a shitty actress. I don't even know what I'm doing with my hands when I'm on stage. I look like a fucking idiot. You have no idea what it feels like when you're on stage and you know that you're acting badly. I'm a seagull. No, that's not what I wanted to say. Remember when you shot that seagull? You were just walking by one day and you saw it and you shot it dead because you were bored. It's a great idea for a short story. No, that's not what I wanted to say. What were we talking about? What were we talking about? Oh yeah, theater. I love acting. When I'm on stage, I'm really connected with my partner and we're in the zone and the audience can feel it and it's exhilarating. I'm a genius. But you know what, Kostya? I've been walking a lot. I've been walking all over New York and I've been just walking and thinking and I think I finally understand. So whether you're writing or you're acting, it's not important. What's important is it's not the success, it's not the fame, all the things that I thought were important. That's not important. What's important is that you endure it, that you carry your cross and you have faith. And now that I understand that, I can look at my life and I'm not so scared. I'm a seagull.